Hi everybody, Josh from Midway Auto and RV here. This is the Zinger 2024 edition and it's the 270BH. On the outside here, we have a really big pass-through storage. It's more space than usual, so that's really nice to have. Coming around this side, we obviously have a very big extended awning here with an LED strip underneath it. Coming around here, you have an outdoor kitchen, which you don't see on these floor plans very often, which is really nice to have. You have a little fridge for drinks and food, and then a stovetop grill. Also on the outside, you have these marine grade speakers. So if there's weather, they won't be impacted because they are meant to be put through the ringer. The nice thing about this floor plan is it has two entries. One into the main entrance, and then this entrance is to the bathroom. Instead of going all the way through the camper to go to the bathroom, you can just go in and out right here. Coming around to the back end, you have a lot of good features, which is nice. You get a spare tire. This is a new feature for Zinger, which is the tankless hot water heater. You get instant hot water just like your house. A really nice feature to have. Coming around to this side, you have your 30 amp service. This is where you plug in for electricity if you're at a camping spot. We have a nice size slide that gives you lots of room inside to maneuver. This thing is very light. Being 27 feet, it still only weighs 6,500 pounds, so it can be pulled by most half tons and SUVs. And then this is the front. I really like the new design, the new colors. It's very sleek, very simple. You have an electric tongue jack. You got your tanks, your battery disconnect. You can also put some extra solar on it right here with the side-on solar right there. I also want to mention before we go inside, you get electric jacks all the way around. Coming inside, something you'll notice right away, you have a good sized queen and a good sized wardrobe on both sides. Something about this bed, there's usually storage underneath it, but what Zinger has done has strapped it to the ground, so this doesn't come up when you're going down the road and spilling anything. So you have a strap on both sides. So you unstrap it and then you lift it up for extra storage, which is nice to have. This wall is a bracket to put a TV on, which is nice for entertaining, as well as an already built-in sound bar they have, and a fireplace that puts out real heat. It's not just for show, it does put out real heat. These outlets are inverted, so if you guys put an inverter on this, all the outlets that you see that have the lightning bolt, they're gonna be hot, so you can use them at all times. I really like Zinger's kitchen because it's sturdy. And you get two sinks, stainless steel, all your appliances. This is the 12-volt fridge. They're sleek and big and hold more than the old gas electrics do. One thing that's really nice about this floor plan is you get a full-size pantry. You have a lot of seating. You have a U-shaped dinette that can also be a bed. So you have a bed here, a nice couch that can also be a bed. And then you also have these bunks right here, which are full size. So you can sleep a ton of people in this. Take the whole family if you'd like. We'll end it with the bathroom. Nice size shower, and then all the appliances you need. And this is the Zinger 2024.